everyone! I'm still here in Japan, in a beautiful city called Kyoto. I was planning to cross that famous red bridge, but as you can see, it's broken right in the middle. The good news is we can fix it together, okay? How? By choosing the right words, of course. Are you ready to play and help me fix that bridge? Ho, 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 ho! Okay, here we have a first challenge. It says, read with me, okay? Summer days are two options, guys. Warmer than winter days or colder than winter days. Take a moment to think and choose the right option. And the correct answer is warmer than, right? Yes, summer days are warmer than winter days. Okay, great. And look, we've got some red stones falling from the sky. Yeah, they're helping us to fix the bridge. Awesome. Okay, with your help, we're going to cross this bridge. Wait. Okay, let's see what's next. All right, here we have our second challenge. And read again with me. If you touch the eyes, your hands get colder or your hands get warmer? What do you think? What do you think? And that's right! The right option is colder. Look! And yes, more red stones are falling. I love it! The sentence is, if you touch the eyes, your hands get colder. We're doing an amazing job. And thanks for your help, okay? We have one more challenge ahead. Come on, our last challenge is, if you put on a sweater, okay, if you put on a sweater, you get warmest or you get colder? Take a moment to decide. Is everything okay in here? Are you sure that these are the right options? I don't trust you. No, something's wrong. Can you see? The right option is warmer. Yes, if you put on a sweater, you get warmer. We have to correct that. Yeah, there we go. And again, the missing stones are falling down and the bridge is complete. Thanks for your help. We did it. We fixed the bridge together and we've learned about the words warmer and colder. Remember?
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello again. All right, let's keep learning with the adjectives comparatives, and this time see that again we have cold and we have warm, yes? But if we are comparing, this soup is yet cold. This soup is colder. Remember we told you we need ER, yes, in this structure is colder than the water. Yes, we always need to add the suffix ER or add another word that we are not seeing today or remember exceptions. But let's go and do this activity, you and I. The snow is colder than the ice or the snow is warmer? The snow is always warmer than the ice. The ice is like a rock, so it's warmer. Yes? Well done. After the exercise, I felt warmer than before. Yes, when you practice exercise, when you do sports, you always get hotter, you get warmer, your body. This sweater is colder than the one I wore yesterday, or this sweater is warmer than the one I wore yesterday. Here, both would be okay because there is no hint. So let's just put colder as far as we already used warm before. Summer days are than winter days. Summer days are warmer. In summer, we always feel warmer. Yes, it's hotter. If you touch the ice, your hands, you touch the ice, you get hot or you get cold. You get cold. So your hands get colder. And finally, if you put on a sweater, you get colder or warmer? You get warmer, right? You get warmer. Very, very good. Remember that you have to do this, okay? When you finish, complete the crossword. So you need to pay attention to this word and add it into the right activity. Goodbye.